In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable pulse metric decimals on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. So it has a lot of different premium features such as the wallet tracker, Twitter tracker, an amazing pulse and P&L tracker. You can also use their reward system, which will give you Solana back just for trading, which is amazing. You can trade perpetuals too and use their turbo mode for faster fills and transactions. You can set your own presets for buy and sell settings, and you can also set your slippage, priority, and bribe fees and use their amazing filters over here. Now again, link down below, make sure you check it out. So to enable the pulse metric decimals, this had been a new update. You want to go to pulse up here, go to display, and then over here it's going to say, if you basically just go down to the bottom, it says no decimals under layout right now. So you can just click on no decimals and it's going to change into decimals, and from then on you'll be able to either see decimals or not see decimals. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.